Trevor Robinson. Next row, the number 11 of Josh Lundy. Outside of Josh Lundy, the 31 of Chris Wangrew. Final last row, the 12 car all by himself. Here they go, Great flag and we're racing. The 12 car is Adam Leonard. And no.
Yeah, Kevin Memley in the 03 machine, a little excited being out front.
See, Eric,
had the pedal to the metal.
I didn't get to finish my lineup.
So
First night ever in a race car, period. That is the 12 car, Adam Leonard, also a crew member of the 21, Cody Houseworth. We're going to do it again. Here they come. Great flag and we're racing.
That one looks a lot better. As John Featherston in that 78 machine. He's got one feature win this year out front, along with the 03 machine of Kevin Memley setting the pace here.
Wangrew spinning around. Chris Wangrew spun around there as the yellow flag is coming out. We're going to slow him down here. I don't even know if we got a lap completed on that one.
I believe not.
Yeah, so once again, Chris Wangrew there in that 31 car. This is his second night ever here. He was here last Saturday.
I can't imagine four.
This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. 4 track records one night. Unbelievable.
That just tells me all these cars are fast.
Yeah. Well, our car corner pace car ducks it on down. We're going to do it again. Once again, I don't believe we've got one lap complete as Kevin Memley's going to bring them around. Here they come. Great flag and we're racing.
Steel restart zone with 2 cautions here today. As Kevin Memley in that 03 machine on the low side trying to work it, and now works it to the hot side over the 78 of John Featherston. Terrence Robinson, the mailman, trying to deliver on the low side in that 29 machine. The Robinsons have been really hot the last 4 races. That includes all 3 of them. As Cody Houseworth in that 21 machine, that wagon in the 4 spot. Rich Schinderling in the 68 trying to work in that top spot along with Garrick Fry. They got a nice little battle for spot number 5. But it's Kevin Memley who's starting to get a little bit of a pace out front in the 03 machine.
So here they come. Watch that Howie Ware, a 36. Watch that 99 of Robinson. A little bit behind them, Chad Smith. Those are your points leaders. Somebody's going home a champion tonight. But Kevin Memley, who's not won a feature yet here at the Rockford Speedway, would love to get his first feature win on championship night.
Kevin Memley only has a heat win as a Sportsman driver this year. And he's definitely due, if anybody, as he's way out front of the 78 of John Featherston. Cody Houseworth in that 21 getting a little squirrely along with the mailman as they go 3 run on the back stretch.
Terrence Robinson off the pace just a little bit there. Hopefully he gets it figured out as he's on the
Look
inside of Rich Schinderling.
Look at the bottle job.
Yeah, definitely.
Howie Ware and Rich Schinderling around a bunch of Robinsons.
Yeah, Schinderling look like he's getting a little loose there coming out of the turns. That rear end keeps coming around on him here. Let's see what happens as Johnny Robinson or Howie Ware is going to try to get around him next.
Yeah, as they're all passing that 12 machine of Adam Leonard. All kinds of struggles, and there's trouble in turns 1 and 2. Howie Ware, Rich Schinderling kind of spinning out. It also looks like the 11... Is that Lundy?
That's the 11 of Josh Lundy.
Yep.
Definitely not something that Rich Schinderling, currently sitting 5th place in the points, wanted as he's going off the track. Howie wearing the 36, needing every lap, every position. He's got some stuff he's got to do, but our car corner pace car's ducking out.
Yeah, and I'll tell you that 03 machine has run the fastest lap here at a 14.591.
Here we go. They're going to do it again. Here they come. Great flag, and we're racing.
It's going to be that old machine of 03, that 3 of Kevin Memley out front. Cody Houseworth in that 21 machine trying to sneak in there on the 78 of John Featherston as he works his way to the top. Johnny Robinson in that 99 machine working that low side. Right behind him, Josh Thiering, and on the outside, Garrett Fry.
Yeah, battle in the back there. Watch Rich Schinderling and Howie Ware both have everything to gain and nothing to lose, as they cannot afford to lose any points in this points battle. But here comes the 11 of Josh Thiering, who was sitting right behind the 68 in points. Josh Thiering wanting to take advantage of Rich Schinderling being in the back.
Yeah, the Kevin Memley 14.609. That 3 machine just continues to run fast times.
Yeah, they've been trying to work on that car all year, and Kevin Memley definitely looks like he's pretty happy with the car thus far.
Of course, the battle is looking at that 6 spot as you got 3-4 cars going 3 and 4 wide, and there goes trouble in the 82.
He's on the infield. I know they're going to want it. He's going to want a caution, but he's not going to get it. He's coming back out.
Yeah, he's in the
deep
deep hole.
He's going to, he might be playing. Yeah, he's going to pull the caution. He wants the caution. He doesn't want to go down the lap. A strategy just played in there. Chad Smith wanted that caution, and he got it.
All right, race fans, again, please check your pockets. We still have a lost cell phone in the souvenir stand. A lost
pace
cell
car
phone.
ducks on out. We're going to do this again as Kevin Memley's going to bring them around to our raw steel collision restart zone. It's now in effect. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
There goes that 03 of Kevin Memley out front. Johnny Robinson trying to get around Cody Houseworth in that 21, and he does. It makes that second spot. John Featherston trying to sneak in on that outside on the 78. John Thiering in the 11 sneaking underneath.
Featherston trying to close the gap and not lift there. Oh, Featherston smacked the wall. Look out as he had some sparks coming off. Don't know if he blew a tire or not. We'll see what happens this time around, ladies and gentlemen, as Josh Thiering sneaks on the inside. Here comes Adam Cartwright to challenge John Featherston.
And Johnny Robinson is completely on the 3 machine of Kevin Memley.
So it looks like John Featherston 78 is doing okay. But things are not looking good for Chad Smith as laps are going to wind down and Johnny Robinson is pulling away.
And Cody Houseworth and Josh Thiering in a nice little battle for 3rd and 4th spot. As the 42 of Cartwright having a little bit of problems, took the high side Y, and the 96 of Garrett Fry sliding underneath. Chad Smith in that 82 trying to work hard and work his way up there, but he's got some Robinson problems on the right and in front. Terrence and Trevor as Johnny running in the 2nd spot. As Kevin Memley's trying to hold off Johnny.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got 10 laps to go for Kevin Memley as he's got Johnny Robinson the second all in his back window or mirror.
Chad Smith trying to get by Adam Cartwright in that 42. Get right behind Trevor if he can.
No, Kevin Memley's got to be loving the way the car is. He's going to have to hold off Johnny Robinson as Johnny Robinson definitely is bringing the heat on Kevin Memley. And now Chad Smith trying to make his move on Adam Cartwright to get to the inside as quick as he can as Chad Smith makes that move around Adam Cartwright, looking on the inside of Trevor Robinson now. Here comes that throwback 82 Days of Thunder car.
Yeah, that 11 machine just ran the fastest time of this group, so he's definitely closing on the leaders. As Cody Houseworth in that 21 is in 4th. John Featherston rounding off your top 5. Garrett Fry in that 96 car in the 6th spot.
And joining us back on the field, that is the 36 of Howie Ware. Glad to see him coming back out into the race here. But right now, Kevin Memley coming around, 5 to go this next time by. Can he get the win?
He's almost a half second, just under, of Johnny Robinson in that 99. Thiering in the 11 and 3rd. Cody Houseworth in 4th, and now battling is for 5th place is John Featherston trying to hold off the 96 of Garrett Fry. Right behind him is Trevor Robinson, and then the 82 of Chad Smith trying to creep his way up there. But it's still Kevin Memley in that 3 machine out front, holding off Johnny Robinson. And here comes that 11, Josh Thiering, running some fast lap times for the Sportsman as he's closed on these leaders. Memley 1st, Robinson 2nd, Thiering in 3rd. Houseworth is still in 4th, and the battle is in 5th as you have 4 cars in there. Garrett Fry, Trevor Robinson, John Featherston, Chad Smith. As that 11 machine slowly closing on the 99. Can Kevin Memley in that 03 machine hold off? He's about a half second ahead of Johnny Robinson and Josh Thiering. 1 lap to go once they cross the line. Memley out front, Johnny in 2nd, Thiering in 3rd, Houseworth in 4th. Garrett Fry is trying to hold off another Robinson and Trevor for that 5th spot. Chad Smith trying to work something in there, but it's going to be Kevin Memley, your winner of this feature. And Johnny Robinson, the 2nd, finishing in 2nd. He is going to win it all as a points leader for the Bargain Hunter Sportsman. Josh Thiering in the 11T in the 3rd, Cody Houseworth in that 21 in 4th, and the 96 machine of Garrett Fry worked his way into the top 5 spot. As you got all the Robinsons congratulating Trevor and Terrence congratulating Johnny Robinson. Johnny Robinson, the points leader and the Sportsman champion, but Kevin Memley is going to steal the feature away. His first feature win this year here at the Rockford Speedway.
Gentlemen, winning his first feature ever in the Bargain Hunter Sportsman division. This is also the Rookie of the Year for 2019. As he's getting out of his car, ladies and gentlemen, for our 2019 Sportsman Rookie of the Year, it's Kevin Murray. Kevin, come on over here, say a few words. First of all, congratulations. This is your first feature win in this division, yes?
Yes, it is. This is my first feature win in the division. I hate this car. Work tonight. A lot of hours this last 2 weeks trying to get it right.
You had Robinson right there. I didn't know what was going to happen, and here you drove it. You've been working so hard this year at doing it, and you got it in. Congratulations once again. Ladies and gentlemen, Kevin Memely.
Yeah, that 3-machine prime sponsor is KO Fleet Maintenance, Advance Auto Parts, K&M Mobile Truck Repair, Hodges Westside Truck Center, prime sponsors in that 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 50-50 raffle currently at $460 to a single winner. The winner of the Stanley Steamer Late Model Division feature winner will draw that winning ticket. But right now, after Kevin Memely, our 2019 Rookie of the Year, also winning his first feature in the Bargain Hunter Sportsman Division, gets off the track, you need to watch. I believe our champion for the Bargain Hunter Sportsman Division is getting ready to come out. All right, as he comes out, you better make some noise. Here comes your 2019 champion. It's Johnny Rabbits in the second. Holy cow! All right. I just want a couple of words with our 2019 Bargain Hunter Sportsman champion. We didn't know if you knew. Here he is, Johnny Robinson II, 2019 Bargain Hunter Sportsman champion. Johnny, tell us, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, this is awesome. We've waited a long time for this. We came up short the last 2 years, and this year I didn't know if we were going to get it because we kept getting out qualified, but we finally prevailed.
Johnny, were you keeping your eye on Chad Smith all night?
No, not in that feature. I never look back. I just go to the front, try to win the race. Congratulations to Kevin. We got a little bit too tight. I wasn't going to force the issue knowing I had the championship wrapped up.
Outstanding. I've got to move along once again. Congratulations to your 2019 Hunter Sportsman champion, Johnny Robinson II. I let your wife talk, by the way, on the mic. I hope you heard her.